Hey guys, today we're going to show you different ways to go about your squatting routine. Here we're first starting off with slow and controlled, not resting at the top and not resting at the bottom. Nice and slow with the 3 count down and the 3 count up. This gives us a great burn. Now this next movement, again, we're not locking the knees on any of these movements. We're repping it out and going with a drop set. So right after you're done with those reps, drop the weight and get back to your workout. If you have a partner, have them drop the weight for you. This would make it a lot easier. This next movement is more of a time under tension. So you'll be going down very slow, 3 count, and explode up, working on those fast twitch muscles.